Today we have the 2021 Peugeot Boxer camper. This vehicle has done just over 17,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our bathroom, which is complete with our toilet and shower just above. To the right is our kitchen, where we have our sink, stove, oven and fridge just behind. Behind me is our double bed, making this camper 2 berths, 3 belts. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. On our screen, we can access radio, media, navigation, smartphone integration, and more. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with parking sensors.